how to make money with iStockPhoto. Guys, this is going to be a free iStockPhoto tutorial for beginners, and in this video I'll show you how you can make money with iStockPhoto. Firstly, I want you to come on to iStockPhoto.com. So guys, when you come on to iStockPhoto.com, from over here you can basically see this dashboard in front of you. Now, what is this website? This website is basically a website which is going to provide you with stock footage, stock videos, stock illustrations, vectors, and so much more. Now, from over here you can basically see that they have an AI powered search and everything. So like all in all, they are great. So now from over here, what I want you to do is that I want you to simply scroll down till the very end, and then I want you to simply open up their affiliate section in a different tab, and then I want you to open up their stock section in a different tab. So once you do that, now from over here you can basically see that you can earn the highest commission in the industry with their content API. So from over here, you can basically see that you can earn money by simply being an affiliate for them as well. And you can also earn money by simply selling your images as stock footage over here too. Now from over here, you can basically see that they have over 1.5 million customers in more than 200 different countries. And as the industry leader, they have the largest global distribution network, giving you greater opportunities to have your content seen and licensed around the world. They work with a community of over 200,000 talented contributors, from beginners to full-time professional artists, and their photographers, filmmakers, and illustrators help their customers across the globe tell inspiring stories through imagery. So now from over here, you can basically see how can you apply. Firstly, you download Contributor by Getty Images. Secondly, you upload 3 to 6 sample images. And thirdly, they'll review your samples and they'll let you know if you've got accepted to either Getty Images or iStock by Getty. You have to be at least 18 years of age, so like that's a requirement. But like apart from that, everything else is great. So now from over here, you can see how it works. So whenever their customers find the imagery they want, they purchase a license that allows them to download your file for their personal or commercial purposes based on the terms of the content license agreement. Customers can use your imagery in advertising, marketing, apps, websites, social media, TV and film, presentations, newspapers, and so many more uses. So from over here, you can basically see for each license a customer purchases, contributors earn a royalty, which is a percentage of the price paid by the customers. Your earnings can differ, but the more content you have in your portfolio that customers need, the more opportunities you'll have to gain earnings. So from over here, you can basically see what should I shoot. So from over here, you can basically do your research and everything, and you can model and property releases. So now from over here, you can basically see where we stand and everything. And now from over here, you can basically see that they even have an application on the App Store and also on the Google Play Store. So now from over here, what I want you to do is that I want you to simply take a look at their affiliate section. So from over here, you can basically see that if you were to sell on iStockPhoto, you will get your license and everything that is possible for you to actually save your content from copyright or anything. So that is the big plus. So now from over here, what you need to do is that you need to simply click on the top right where it says join, and then after that you can simply join their company via this particular sign up page. Now once you do that, you will have your affiliate link and you can actually start to make money with iStockPhoto. So guys, let's say you don't have a camera, you don't have anything. Well, how can you sell on iStockPhoto? So for that, what you need to do is you need to simply open up a different tab and you need to type in pexels.com. So guys, once you type in pexels.com, over here you are gonna see a lot of free stock footage and free stock videos available over here, which you can actually sell as you're on without any license issue whatsoever. So for example, let's say you wanted this image, you can simply click on this download button and you can simply get this image. Or let's say you wanted to get free photos and videos, you can simply type in anything. So for example, let's say you wanted nature videos, you can type in nature over here and that is gonna get you nature videos. So that is why this is so appealing and everything, because honestly you can get almost any kind of picture that you want from over here and you are not going to be running into any problems whatsoever. So that is why this is such an attractive method, because people always want to do this, and for them to do this, it's going to be really important that you actually do this as well. And for them to do this, you'll actually have to share this video with your friends and family as well, so that everybody can take full advantage of this particular method and nobody gets left behind. So like that is basically the idea of the whole method for you to get started. So like there is also another website like this called shutterstock.com, where you can literally do the exact same thing and you can make money. But like some people say that shutterstock.com actually pays you more money when you compare it with iStockPhoto. But like again, it all depends upon how many pictures and how many videos you upload and stuff like that. So over here you can basically see that they have the exact same things like copyright free footage, videos and everything, music as well. So like simply scroll down, and then from over here what I want you to do is that I want you to simply take a look over here where it says sell on Shutterstock or affiliate. So like from over here you can simply open up both of these. So I'm gonna open up both of these, and then after that I'm gonna simply so basically from over here you can see that you can become a creative reseller partner. So to be considered as a creative reseller partner, companies must provide a business plan for achieving at least $100,000 in Shutterstock sales in their first year. So like all in all, if you have big plans, you can definitely do this. And then you have their affiliate program. So like affiliate programs are always fun, and I always highly recommend affiliate offers. Why? Because like promoting affiliate offers is really easy, and once you promote them, well, after that, like honestly, it gets everything on autopilot. So from over here you can basically see that Shutterstock is the leading global provider of high quality licensed stock footage, videos, illustrations and music, and they have a current global marketplace translated into 20 languages, accepting 9 currencies, and with 1.8 million customers. So you can earn a 20% revenue share on the net sales when new customers make an image, footage, or music purchase. You can also receive regular and flexible automatic monthly payments via PayPal or e-transfer, and you can track results via cookie-based affiliate tracking software, which allows affiliates to be credited within 30 days after the first click. So like definitely a very nice way to like start earning money. Then on the right side, you can basically see all the tools that you'll have access to, and you can even read more about them and their customers. So like definitely a very nice platform for you to get started. And again, to get started, click on join now, and then that is going to take you over to their joining page. So like again, very similar to how iStockPhoto works. And guys, like you can literally basically put images over here of any type. Like if you have a camera, go out there, travel around your city, take cool pictures, upload them. Who knows, maybe your pictures will go for quite a lot of money. I mean, like obviously you'll have to color grade, but then again, they will sell for a lot of money. So like definitely there is potential there, and you guys should definitely do that. And guys, again, one last time, if you find this video useful and if you actually found what you were looking for, guys, make sure to share it with anybody who might need to learn about similar stuff, or who might need to learn about this particular platform as well, or someone who might need to learn about this comparison. So definitely do that. It might make someone stay, and also stay happy, stay safe. Till next time. So guys, that is how basically you can get started making money with these platforms, and especially iStockPhoto. And if I missed something, let me know in the comments down below. Until next time, take care and goodbye.